Africa seems to be having great potential for providing, as we call it these days, nature-based solutions, sustainable solutions to the intensifying climate impacts. So these nature-based solutions such as agroforestry, that is planting of trees on farmland, reforestation, the different land restoration efforts are all aimed at ensuring that a lot of this carbon, which translates into the global warming that we are talking about, is stored in the trees and not out there. So when we talk about carbon and Africa, we are seeing an opportunity for Africa to leverage resources by storing this carbon. The money that is received can create jobs, can create income, but also go a long way in positioning Africa as a leader in the global carbon economies. And in case we take ownership at these early stages, we would be able to influence or even shape the rules, the standards, even the benefits that go to our local communities, and this would be good.